If you're seeing a NAT type failed error on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4, start with the basics by restarting both your console and your router. Power them off completely, wait about a minute, then turn the router on first, and let it fully reconnect before powering up the console. Next, go to Settings then Network and run Test Internet Connection to confirm your console is getting an IP address. If the NAT test still fails, log into your router through a web browser and make sure UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, is enabled, as this automatically manages the necessary ports. If that doesn't help, manually forward the required PlayStation Network ports, including TCP 8400 and 43 3000, 478 3000, 480, and UDP 3000, 478 3000, 479. It's also helpful to assign a static IP address to your console so the port forwarding remains consistent. After saving changes and restarting the router, test the connection again. A successful setup should show NAT Type 2 moderate or Type 1 open.